Stop scrolling. Watch me prepare one of Grenada's most delicious and popular Easter dish. This dish is basically a mixture of ground provision, which is yam, dasheen, and also banana. And the meat is going to be some tasty mackerel in tomato sauce. So this dish is again one of Grenada's most popular dish that we use around Easter time. So stay tuned, watch the process, and come along. So here I have some nice white yam. I like white yam because white yam is soft, is easy to cook. Within 3 to 5 minutes, you can get a meal out of white yam. So the reason why I like cooking the white yam, it is soft, it's easy to cook, and again, it is more tasty for me. So as you can see, I already peeled the yams before I started recording, and here I am also peeling some bananas, some green bananas to go with it. So usually how I peel my green bananas, I split them down the middle, put a little incision down the middle, and then put it in some water to soak for about 5 minutes. That makes it very easy to peel. So then the skin comes off very easy. So I know the banana can be very stressful to peel. Some people don't like peeling because the stains from it stains up your hands, it stains up your clothes. But if you split it down the middle and put it in the water, that helps it get rid of the stains and also makes it very easy to peel. So bananas again is very healthy for you. It's tasty if it's well cooked properly. For me, I like my banana cooked soft. I like the young bananas, not the full ones, but I like the young ones, and I like my banana to cook soft. So that's how I like my banana. So I don't know about you, but that's just me. I like my bananas young. I like the young grains of bananas. So here we all have my yams and bananas, and ready to cook, ready to go. Again, like I said, this dish is very easy to prepare, quick. Within an hour you can have it. So I'm going to put that all in one pot. Basically I'm going to put the bananas first, because like I said, the yam is very easy to cook. So if you put it in there, it's going to turn porridge. So I will put the banana to cook for about half an hour to 45 minutes, basically, or half an hour. Yeah, half an hour. And when it's almost almost cooked, I will put in the yam. So here you can see my bananas is already going on. I put some salt, and here I'm going to cut up some onions to get my mackerel and the tomato sauce. So of course the mackerel and tomato sauce is already cooked in the pan, in the tin. It's already cooked in the tin. So all you need to do is just put it in a pot, with some little onions and garlics and stuff, and then just to warm it up. Some people eat it just open. They cannot eat it like that, but I don't like to eat it like that. I like to warm it up, put it in the can, put it in the pot, and warm it up. That looking very nice. Big chunks of mackerel falling down in the pot. I like that. I like the big tin of mackerels. I like the big. I don't like the small tins because I don't know, they don't taste the same. So I like the big tins. Get the nice big chunky mackerels falling down in your pot. So I'm gonna give that a little time to boil. Let it boil, let it heat up for a little. Well, not boil, just give it a little time to heat up. Like I said, it's already cooked. So, and while you're heating it, I would like to sometimes split them in two, split them down the middle, like so, right here. So it can get the heat on the inside of all as well. So, yeah, like so. Just split it down the middle, and you can get the heat in it as well. And sometimes I'll take off the bone, like that whole backbone thing that's in it, because that can stick in your throat. Get it on a liquor store, just continue stirring. And for me, I leave it just enough, because if you leave it too long, that gravy, the nice tasty gravy, is going to die out. So I'll leave it just enough as the onion just starting to cook, and I will take it out. And start going. So I had a whole bunch of stuff going on here. I had some macaroni. I had some some eggs and other stuff over there going on, as you can see in the corner. But I'm just showing you today how to do the Easter dish. And my banana is cooked. I'm gonna start putting them in my plate. I like my banana whole. I don't like to cut it. I like it whole. Some people like to cut it and put it in the pot. That is totally up to you. But I like my banana whole, so I'll just cut them out. I just put them in the pot whole, just like that. And here's my yam, my nice white yam. Very nice. So very nice. That looking good. That looking good. It tastes as good as it looks. Tastes as good as it looks. So I'm gonna go get my mackerels now. I'm gonna lay that up on the top of it. See, in Grenadian, that's what we do. We put our mackerel, our gravy on top of our food. Some other people like to put the gravy on the side of the food, but we like to put our gravy in Grenada on top of our food, so that way it's soaked through the entire plate. So let me know in the comment, where do you like to put your gravy? Where you like to put your gravy? You like to put your gravy on the side? You like to put your gravy on top of your food? Or you like to have your gravy in a separate bowl? So let me know in the comment where you like to put your gravy. Like I said, in Grenada, we like to sprinkle our gravy all over our food. Grenadians love to cook with gravy. I don't know, some places people don't cook with gravy. They let the meat dry out in the pot. So I don't know. For us in Grenada, we have to have our gravy. We have to have our gravy, eating our gravy with it. So that is looking so delicious. It's ready to eat. I know some of you actually will like some, but let me know in the comment if you like some. I could come to your house and I could cook for you. So that is it. That is it. See, right here, I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. That is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. Succulent. See the color. Look at the color. Look at the color. Sea color. Sea color. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.